Sambar is an integral part of Sadhya, one of the main gravy dish. This Sadhya Sambar is special in the sense that it is made using freshly grounded sambar masala mix with coconut. Traditionally, it is made with tuar dal. This sambar is made with lots of veggies like pumpkin, drumstick, okra, brinjal, etc. or a combination of any of these. Very easy to make and tasty also. Let us see how the preparation goes. First, soak the tamarind in hot water. Now we will prepare the masala. For this I have kept a pan, adding coconut oil to it. Once the oil is hot, add the coriander seeds, they will splutter. Now add the red chilies, fenugreek seed and saute for a second. Once done, add the grated coconut. Again saute for a second. Now add the powdered asafoetida. Saute for 2-3 seconds and switch off the flame. Keep this mixture to cool. Once it is cool, we will grind it to a fine paste, adding some water. Now we will chop the veggies, skin the pumpkin and chop into 1-inch pieces. Same way, cut the okra also. Now lengthwise cut the drumsticks. As I said earlier, we will grind the sambar masala, adding some water and keeping aside. Pressure cook the tuvar dal also beforehand. Keep a pan on a medium flame and add the tamarind water. Once the water starts boiling, add the chopped veggies. Now add turmeric powder and some salt and let the veggies cook in the tamarind water. Cover the vessel and allow it to cook. Once the veggies are cooked, add the grounded sambar masala. Mix well and add the cooked tuvar dal. As I said earlier, preparing the tuvar dal earlier helps in easy preparation of sambar, especially during sandhyas when we are short of time preparing a lot of dishes. This cooking dals, legumes, etc. adds a lot. Now the sambar is boiling. Once the sambar starts uniformly boiling across the surface, it indicates that it is fully cooked. Add the curry leaves and switch off the flame. Keep aside. Keep a pan for tempering. Once the pan is hot, add the coconut oil. Now add the mustard seeds, red chilies and a few curry leaves. The mustard seeds are spluttering, that means our tempering is ready. Switch off the flame. Pour the tempering over the prepared sambar. As the main dish of Onam Sadhya, this sambar is very special. This Sadhya sambar can also be prepared daily and a combination of dosha or idli goes well with sambar. Enjoy cooking. Do subscribe to our channel Cook Bake Repeat. Also like and share if you like the videos with your friends and family. Thank you.